Welcome come here.
Good morning.
See on nagu see Eestis on eurodes sama hind, mis siin on
Samas nagu kumb nuga selle jaoks on.
Ei, ma arvan, et see on sama mingi appi.
Kas te ei hakka sööma või?
Kas te ikka rääkisite neile, millest õigest ilma jäid?
Need ei rääkinud, aga need jäid nii kõik ajudes.
Jah.
Ajudes.
Üldse kogu sellest loodast oli väga hea.
Sinna ajude sisse, Pauliina.
Juha Villis või? See on midagi õunasiid laadis, see on alkoholiga. See on alkoholiga õuna.
No me siit saab pileti. Sellest.
Me peame kokku hoidma. Ma nägin. Kuskil võiks pilti teha, et me laseme kellegi teise teha. Nii pole ühtegi.
Selle tussid. Tee panoraamat. Kõik sinni sidab. Ma tean. Siin läks ice-cream.
Tõeliselt.
Võtame mõne kohalikuga peale.
Siis sa oled 3 kaamera.
Remain for cheese smell. This is for cheese smell. Take.
Ei. Mitä?
Selle sa võid võtta, sa võta.
Võta, see on lõhna ja
jah, sest seal on vänge hais.
Oh my god, natuke aitab. Murra veel. Mulle maitseb.
Want to mix other colors, blue, green, red, like last. Cooperative, Arabic, Berber. Arabic, locally from city. Make small skins, sheep skin, goat skin, lamb skin. Berber for make big skins, cow, camel. Here is traditional way to make leathers. No machine, no chemical product. Only by hand and natural product. First time when the that we explain to you. Natural product is the pigeon shit. It's with ammoniac. That's why you smell bad. Because the most of people they smell bad, they think it's skin smell bad. No, skin doesn't smell bad. Product. First work, we put skin in center there with water and salt to clean it. They clean it 3 days in water and salt, and then they put it in the pigeon droppy for 1 week. Pigeon drop, they stay 1 week. It's ammoniac. Ammoniac natural for make it skin very softer. It will be easy for scrape the wool and to take the fat off. Same time, it is the basic color for after make nice colors, especially natural color. After the pigeon, they put it in center with white color. White color, we make it with sand of the fur of the cow, goat skin. We take that, we keep it, we give it for ladies, they wash it, and they select it, and they use it to fill cushions and beds for make the tents in south of Morocco. But in exchange, women, they bring a bag of pigeon droppy from around the city. النخلة. النخلة in Arabic, that's mean the palm tree.
Palmipuud tähendab.
Sign of people from Sahara. Here, for make one skin is 25 days. Here, 60 days, 2 months. They need long time, same processes, but long time to make skin ready for product. For example, this is one piece of cow. See? One piece of cow. Yes, fill it. But this is not finished yet. This is one piece of cow. Now dry. Put upstairs. When it's dry, we bring it down. We put water in it to stretch it. It will be softer. And then we have man with the sharp knife, very special knife, to scrape it, to shave it. Take all that off to be one skin after consumption. Big skins, they stay like this. Cow, here, camel. Because camel is very big, we cut it 2 pieces, piece to piece to make it here. But here different is very deeper. Here is very deeper. It's about 2.5 meter of deeper. In Arabic one, just 1 meter, not deep like this. After all this stage, when leather finished, we take it for see leather finished here.
Ärge jumala eest midagi ostke, sellepärast et siin on kõik välja.
Look, see leather will touch. Feel it.
Hadi sana giydim yine yap.
This goat one. Al goat.
Kesin.
Al black, small one.
Jah. Kohe me vaatame üldse, kuidas see asi käib. Tõesti hea.
Kas sa lased asuda?
Kujundusele mitte.
Täiega lahe. Sellistes ruumides elasid või? Ja mitte üksi jäi, ma ei tea.
Viisti ära.
Ma ei saa aru.
Once you come to the center, you can come out and shine.
Ma arvan, sa oleksid siia tulnud. Oleks või? Ma arvan, see on täitsa võimalik siis.
Enda toas
Jah,
kinni.
kuskile sisse.
Miks mina? See üks reegel. Ära pildista.
Nii, see üks veegel ei kasuta üldse.
See on madal, see on ilu pärast.
Ega ma pildistasin aega vist ette. Kogu aeg.
Jan, sa peaks püstitama
Jälle meie sale ka. Siis tuleb kohe kõik ära siin.
Joo, sen kanali.
Sa õpetad, kuidas kuskusse süüa.
This is piquant, is hot.
Okay.
This is nice for couscous.
Okay, yeah.
Zero.